What's up? It's Sunday once again, and Sunday is fun day. We are flying. The sun is shining too. I just got a picture of the track, and it's a Divegate. I've never tried a Divegate before, so this is going to be super interesting. And I'm really excited. That's why I'm talking so fucking fast. Yep, on my way now, and I'll see you there. Look at him, hiding out, taking a piss. Oh, there's a Divegate too. Nice. Did the Divegate. Did it. It was fun.
Moments later.
Veldig lenge siden jeg har flydd noe så fotball på ekte.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. This sound like Argentina. Had to fist my demeanor. Let's go. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rose like God and Jesus. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rapping stain me doing something, I'm not a fan. I told him my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. Plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. Plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. Plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real.
No in the bed. Break your landing. Get it every day. Got my heart no. No in the bed. Break your landing. Get it every day.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. Plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my
Say what?
Divegate done. First time. Really fun. And hard. Compared to a freestyle dive when it just comes straight at it, roll and dive and get out of it. This was more of a come up on the side of it and do a corkscrew and then get out again. I think I got some good packs in, but at the end there I just lost everything. I crashed and I crashed and I crashed, but still fun. We ended up taking away the Divegate because the guy with that owned it had to go. I got back some of my confidence because crashing pack after pack after pack is really frustrating, but again, that's how we learn. Fun day. I think this was our last training outside before we go in. It's starting to get chilly in Norway. Winter is coming, but yeah, great day. Now let's take down some gates.